What's going on, blended culture? My name is Daniel. I'll be showing you all my step-by-step process on. channel. I appreciate every one of you. And here I'm about to start my line-up process. I'll start by creating my vertical bars. This enable me, I don't know for most of you, this enable me at the proper angle from the middle and work my way through the other side. This helps, and make sure you are looking or checking out from the mirror. It also helps. Most times your eyes are overstressed, you don't get to see it properly or get the angles properly, so you revisit your mirror and make sure you are going backwards. This way the camera don't get to move backwards, and check as well to see if you are on right path. So guys, see me checking out on my mirror, see if I'm actually getting it right. So these little details helps the haircut stand out. So I'll be doing my neck, keeping my neck, the actually neck line of, as you can see, the haircut style of mine already. So these are the steps or the processes to give the proper people feel. So guys, do well to subscribe if you're enjoying this video. If you are watching this video, if you have watched this video to this part and you feel impacted, do well to hit the subscribe button, like, and comment in the comment section where you think I didn't do the right, or you felt I would have done it a different way. Drop that also in the comment section. And do not forget to share the video as well, because it helps the algorithm. So blended culture, this is the cut.